Hello friends, SEO with AI. We have started this amazing and interesting course in 2025. So today in our first video, we will learn this important thing that what is SEO and what is SERP. So SEO is the process of ranking a website on a specific position in the SERP for a targeted keyword. Now let's understand this in very simple language. Friends, search engine optimization. It is a process in which we target a website to get it ranked in search engine results pages for the particular keyword we are targeting. Okay guys, is this clear? I will be explaining to you. Please pay close attention friends, this is important. Look at the board, this is a website. We will do SEO for this, okay? And when we do SEO in this, then the search engine page, meaning search engine results pages, which we call search engine page, right? When we search something on Google, different websites appear at different positions in the search results. 10 websites appear. Okay. Friends, first on the first page, then 10 on the second, then 10 on the third, and like this. So we will rank our website at a specific position, on the first position, on the fifth position, or on the second position, whatever position it is. Okay friends, and for this we choose some keywords. Okay. Then the process becomes much easier and straightforward to follow. So friends, search engine optimization is done to optimize your website and ensure it ranks at a specific position in the search engine results pages. Okay guys, on some selected keywords which we choose, on which we want our website to rank. This is very simple and easy language to understand SEO. Now SEO is also called that search engine optimization is a process of our website so that we can rank our website on Google search engine or any search engine. Got it or not? Friends, our aim to improve the website's ranking in search engine results. This means you shouldn't get confused or overwhelmed when you hear different definitions. So SEO is the name of a process. It is not a particular thing. It is not a method that this is SEO. SEO is a process, and within that process we do different things, which we will teach you inside this special course. And what is SERP? Any idea? Like you can see here. Well, if you search for something on Google, you will notice a page that displays various search results. These results include not only organic listings, which are ranked based on SEO, but also ads that appear at the top or bottom of the page. Additionally, you may see local listings as well as featured snippets or knowledge panels, including the paid ads. Organic listings make up what is known as the SERP.